friends, it's Maya, and I'm back doing a cleaning video, my friends. Christmas is just around the corner, and I wanted to deep clean the kitchen one cupboard at a time. Yes, so I do not overwhelm myself. And so I started with my spice cupboard. Take a look at that video. And so now I am on to the condiments cupboard. So I'm trying to do one cupboard a day. So I'm doing the condiments cupboard today. So let's get together and help me to clean this cupboard. As you know, I'm in the Christmas cleaning mode or the holiday cleaning mode, and you were there with me when I did um, my spice cupboard. It still looks good after a day or two. And so now I'm gonna go over to my condiments cupboard. These are where I have my sauces and condiments. It's a space that's above the stove, right? So here's the stove, and this is a space above the stove. So as I told you before, I'm just cleaning. I'm trying to deep clean the kitchen, and I'm doing it one cupboard at a time until closer up to the Christmas season, right? I'm starting today to do this cupboard where I have all these sauces. So what I'm going to do is take out everything, wipe them all down, all the bottles, all the sauces, wipe them down, make sure in here is a little bit degreased in here, and kind of straighten it up a little bit. I'm going to also add some liners that I bought from the Dollar Tree. So come with me while I clean the condiments cupboard. Okay, so I'm gonna start by unloading here. Wow, it needs a little bit, see? Oh, needs a little bit of cleaning, guys. And I guess the holiday time is the best time to motivate you to do the cleaning, right? The deep cleaning of the kitchen. So this is the condiments cupboard that I'm actually cleaning and just going to arrange nicer. Sort of degrease it a little bit. Look at that. This is a cupboard, as I told you, that's above the stove, right? So that cupboard right there. And this is where I keep all my condiments, like oil, sprays, and soy sauce and stuff like that, right? So, yeah. And I'm going to line it again. Oh, lots of sauces. See, I don't throw these out, as I told you guys. Oh, this is very greasy. Oh, gross. Yeah. So let's wipe this down, get some soap going. And I'm going to use the same solution that I use for my spice cupboard. I'm just going to mix some baking soda with some Dawn dish soap. I find that it gets out stains better than Mr. Clean products, okay? Lined it up. Oh, there. See, I couldn't get these little stuff off, like it's an old cabinet, so I couldn't get those stuff off there, even though I scrub. And that the yellowness back there, I wasn't stable enough on this ladder, and I didn't feel confident enough to kind of go at it on this very small ladder. So I kind of gave up. But so now that's nice and clean and lined. I'm going to wipe down my sauces, my condiments, and put them right back. So here it is, my friends. I finished. I cleaned the condiments cupboard. Yeah, so I cleaned it. My idea was to just get a deep clean of it and stuff like that. So I managed to do it. Is it perfect? No, I whole kitchen, as I said, need to be revamped and renovate a little bit. And it's now nice, neat, and clean. I also did the doors as well, and outside of the door. So two cupboards are done now. I am proud of what I did and was able to accomplish. This one is a very simple cupboard to clean. It didn't give me much of a hard time. I'm on my way to deep cleaning the kitchen for Christmas. All right. Thank you for watching, my friends. See you in the next video.